Greetings to all. Today's topic: connection between nature and the consciousness. The success, happiness, contentment, and peace achieved by any individual in possession of a consciousness depend on the extent to which he is able to realize nature, its qualities, and innermost secrets. The consciousness is capable of contracting and expanding at will, besides manifesting as the qualities of the objects, good or evil, and feelings of pleasure or pain. Evil qualities in the form of vanity and other temperaments appear so long as man remains ignorant about or deliberately neglects nature and permits his consciousness to work from within the confines of sensory feelings. The consciousness is overwhelmed by the ego, and falsehood, fear, lack of awareness, emotions, problems, and misery dominate the mind. When the mind begins to expand and exist in harmony with nature, clarity, awareness, love, compassion, contentment, peace, and happiness become its characteristics. The veil of ego is torn apart, and man finds peace by living in harmony with nature. The purpose behind a human birth, gifted with a sixth sense, is to attain perfection by living in harmony with nature. This is God worship. Thanks to Vethathiri Maharishi. வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன்.